Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a Series 2 VE Commodore sports wagon, station wagon. It's the 3 litre LSW code engine, automatic. It's had a swipe down the left hand side, which I'll show you in a second. It's got a good headlight, guard, 2 doors, tailgate, tail lights, rear bar, a couple of mag wheels, cargo barrier in the back, and it gets a bit sad around here. There's a side swipe there. That's a nice grey cloth trim. It's done 70,000 kilometres. I'll get to go in a second for you. Pop the bonnet there. There's one of the compliance plates. You can't really see it. There's a VIN up here. You can see that. Another right light. Can't get the door open to get the compliance plate there, but it's a Series 2. It's around 12 model. Start her up. It's the basic, as we say in the trade, poverty pack. There we are, 78,704 kilometres. We'll start it up for you. Basic wear and tear. Fairly tidy. Broken glass here and there, but otherwise not too bad. And there it is. There's like a kitten. Alright, one VE Commodore Series 2 sports wagon for dismounting at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. If you need any parts for your VE Commodore sports wagon or any other car for that matter, give us a call on 02 4646 1733 and the Parts Plus team will help you out. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.